Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran that likes to make drinks, and I would like to share them with you. Today, I'm going to take this Bird Dog hot cinnamon flavored whiskey, ounce and a half of this, and I'm going to mix it with the Dr. Pepper dark berry flavored soda. Give that a quick stir. Hope everyone's having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Leslie Carroll Jr. Leslie passed away on November 26, 2024 at the age of 83. He served in the Navy from 1962 through 1966, and he called Connecticut home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Oh wow, the dark berry and the cinnamon work really well together. The Dr. Pepper is nice, subtle, it's in the background, but it's really good. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. It's really good. I like it. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day. Leslie, may you rest in peace. Mm.